If I was hired to fix this YouTube channel, this is what I would do, and I'm going to redesign the thumbnail and the title in a bit, so hang with me on that. And first of all, I'm going to just go over this channel. This channel's name is Olex. He is basically teaching viewers how to make money with YouTube shorts. This is the latest video. He is uploading consistently, and that's a good sign. And I watched this video fully, and if you can see the comments, this guy already has very good positive comments on engagement on his YouTube video. So his channel definitely has potential. And the thing I'm very concerned about his thumbnails is that, for example, this one really looks like it was generated by ChatGPT. If you look at his best form in videos, as you can see, they are very clear and they really don't look like AI. Those are a little bit older videos from him, and his latest video is not performing well. 43,000, almost 43,000 subscribers, when his videos only pulling 4.2k views. It was posted 6 days ago. He had one outlier in the last 3 months. Before that, he had almost all of his videos outliers before that, and he has a one-to-one mentoring program. So I think this is the way he makes most of his income. So this is basically the overview of his channel. As I said in the beginning, I'm going to redesign this thumbnail. First of all, we need to know what the video is doing wrong, what the packaging is doing wrong. Basically, this video is really trying to appeal to a broad audience, how to win with AI in 2026. I mean, this video is all about YouTube shorts, so this packaging really like trying to appeal to a very large audience. But the thing is with large audiences is that people think of your video from the packaging. So if your packaging says how to win with AI in 2026, most of the people don't really want to get into the shorts area of the AI win in 2026, but they just want to know like how to use AI for their businesses and stuff like that. So this packaging is very misleading. So I think that's why this video hasn't performed well, because people go to the video with the expectation in mind, like I want to know how to improve my business and how to win with AI in 2026. So when they go to the video, they see a guy explaining how to make YouTube shorts. So it's a very big packaging and the video mismatch, and viewers are gonna drop off the video. Then YouTube algorithm thinks this video is bad because most of the viewers are falling off in the first 30 to 60 seconds, and that's the main problem I see with this packaging. If this video is how to use AI to like do business and do everyday stuff, and this packaging would be amazing, but the video is not about that, and the video is about YouTube shorts. I see he tried to implement the YouTube shorts icon to maybe signal this is about YouTube, but it's not really visible because I didn't see it until I enlarged this image. So I don't think it work. So that's basically what I'm gonna fix with this repackaging. And for then I used my workflow to come up with ideas fast, and I've linked that video here where I did the whole process of my coming up with thumbnail ideas, and you can see that. And also I have a video designing the thumbnails using AI, and I'm gonna link both of those videos here. And this is just a fast way of exploring ideas for a YouTube video. So the thing with using this method is, luckily I watched this video, and he doesn't say it takes 30 minutes to make $8,000 a month. He says it will only take about 30 minutes to do the whole coming up with shorts ideas and doing the editing and stuff. It's 30 minutes mentioned in the script, and I really don't think I will use this concept. And AI does 90% of the work. Concept human was AI take over, robot hand on the keyboard. No, I don't think this will work either. AI does 90% of the work. Yeah, just I'm not going to use this. Exact 30-minute routine, large count number 30. I think this could work. So basically, we just have the thumbnail here, him here, and this work block kind of stuff. And first work block says idea script. Don't mind my writing edit. So I really need to incorporate the $8,000 per month thing. We can do something like this. 30-minute routine. Okay, so something like this, and this is how I like connect the thumbnail and the title. We can say something like 8K per month routine. No, exact routine I used to make 8K per month. Exact steps, I think. Exact steps I do to make. So basically we can do this kind of thing. Like guys, you have to always think about how to connect the thumbnail and the title, because as you probably heard a lot by now, thumbnail and the title should always complement each other. We can change this text later, and I just want to get an idea of what I want to do. The main creator here and the text in 30-minute routine, idea script edit, maybe we can use in AI here. Now we have to incorporate the money aspect of the video, right? So because big numbers tend to get more views, and this is the title, exact steps or exact routine I do to make 8K per month. Or we can do something like do this every day to make 8K month. Okay, so this is the basic idea, and now I'm gonna get rid of this, and I'm gonna make this a time lapse of me designing the thumbnail. I make 8K month with shorts. So this is it guys. Basically this is how you can come up with good thumbnail ideas. So guys, my phone basically died and now I don't have a camera. The biggest problem I had with this packaging, as I told in the beginning, this was super big and this packaging was meant to broader audience, and actual video is a very niche down topic, and that contradicts with the whole packaging, because how to win with AI in 2026 has so much branches, because you can go into the business niche, you can go into the personal niche, you can go to the self-improvement. Like there are so many branches of form that can grow from this title and the thumbnail. And in this video he is just talking about YouTube shorts. So let me demonstrate why I said this is meant to a bigger audience. Because guys, if you think this is the whole audience interested in AI, about this much is the actual percentage of people who are interested in making shorts with AI, and all of these people interested in how to write, how to copyright or something like that, how to interested in self-improvement using AI. Another portion of this is interested in maybe automation. Another portion is interested in business aspect of this. So you can get what I mean. This is targeted to this whole audience, and this thumbnail here is only directed to this audience who are interested in YouTube shorts. I think you can clearly see what I'm talking about, and the whole packaging is a mismatch from the actual video. This is the actual packaging that would have worked much better. This is directed to the YouTube shorts audience. That's the whole repackaging. So this is how I would work on Oleg's channel if I was hired to fix his channel. And if you have low views, you should definitely focus more on your packaging. And if you want me to do that for you, there is a link in the description to book a call with me. You can book a call there and we'll get to know each other, and I'm gonna go over your channel, and if we are fit to work together, we will work together and bring you more views and conversions. And until then, see you next time. Thanks for watching.